Meaning of finicky.
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 Finicky. The term finicky describes someone or something that is often difficult to please or satisfy, and is very particular about details or quality. A person who is finicky may be overly fussy or selective when it comes to food, clothing, or other personal preferences. Similarly, something that is finicky may require delicate handling or be prone to malfunction if not used or maintained correctly. Overall, the word finicky suggests a level of pickiness or fussiness that can make dealing with the person or thing in question somewhat challenging.